There are words that minds can whisper, polished bright with careful art, but the truest words are gently born from the deepest place within the heart. They arise from love still burning, from memories time cannot erase, from silent tears and whispered prayers, from moments wrapped in gentle grace. They carry sorrow without a cry, and hope that shines through darkest night. They speak of faith when roads grow dim, giving strength when we lose the light. They are the language of forgiveness, a mercy only hearts can know, the thankful song for life's small blessings, the quiet peace that helps us grow. No scholar's pen can truly teach the tenderness a soul can give, for some truth cannot be learned by thought, but felt within the life we live. Extracted from the soul, the words that heal, the words that guide, the words no wealth can ever buy. They live forever in every heart, the words the soul can never deny. Yes, when all else has passed away, and only love can make us whole, the truest words we'll ever speak are the words extracted from the soul.